Truth is, people are responding to what you're broadcasting. Let me repeat. People are responding to what you're broadcasting. People that you meet online, people in person, your family, your friends, your loved ones, acquaintances, people on the street, people that you randomly meet. People are responding to what you're broadcasting. And if you're anyone like me, a woman like me who is purpose driven, know that she has a big mission here on earth to serve, to help others, but also live a life that's beyond my wildest dreams and have an impact in the world and live a delicious life, right? I know that every single day that I wake up, I always have to be in check with what I am broadcasting. Because we all broadcast. Our frequency is like a radio frequencies that go out, and we turn the dial to a certain station and we pick up a certain radio station. It's the same with who we are as human beings. We're all energy. We're all broadcasting at a certain frequency. So if we are broadcasting doubt, guess what? You will attract. If we're broadcasting doubt, guess what? You will attract more doubt in various ways, such as if you decided that you wanted to move into a new home, but yet you have a fear, or you doubt things are going to work out, or you doubt that the closing of the home is going to go through, or that you doubt that you're going to get the finances to purchase the home or rent the home or lease the home, or whatever doubt or fear that you may have. If you're still saying that you want to move into your new home or purchase a new home, but yet over here you have some type of doubt, then you're going to attract more people that's going to put more doubt in your mind and in your thoughts and in your emotions. And you're going to start to doubt, think, maybe this is not the right home for me, or this is not the right time for me to move, or maybe it's just a bad idea, or, with everything that's going on in the world right now, maybe I should just stay where I am. Even though you are miserable and you've outgrown where you are, and you may start to doubt